Hello cute and beautiful childrens, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a lipstick for girls, for childrens, for kids. So please subscribe my channel and watch full video. So we go towards our drawing. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to draw a box. For basement you have to draw a straight line, okay, and the other side as well you have to draw. Okay, so now we have to meet these 2 points with little bit curve line, not full straight. Okay, so now we have to meet these 2 points but with straight line. Okay, amazing. So now it's the upper part, the girls know very well. Okay, and now this side as well, straight line, tried straight, and we have to meet these 2 points as well with the straight line. Okay, so now what is more, it's turns to make a lipstick, the lipstick, actual lipstick. So we have to draw a straight line, enough. So now a straight line as well, enough. So now we have to meet these 2 points with round curves. Okay, and this is, I have to do it little bit straight. Okay, amazing. So it's almost ready, but now what is missing? Always smiley face. We have to draw a circle, one, and the other side as well, one. Okay, inside we have to draw a white part, and the remaining I fill it. Yuppie. So now what is more? Smiley face. Yuppie. So now it's one heart. This is love from my side for you, and your love is subscription and watching full video. So now I have to draw like this is also, I tried. Just for decoration, not a big part. Okay, so now I choose red lipstick. You can use your own, or which color you like, you have to do, and I have chosen red. So I meet you after color. So yuppie, our lipstick is ready, girls, cute kids, it's ready. So you can try it and go to party where you want to go outside. So please watch full video and subscribe my channel, and we meet the next video. Take care until that. Bye bye.